Hello everyone. I hope you all are good and you all are practicing questions. चलो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं. So basically we are given ammeter, voltmeter and this circuit. Measured value of resistance here. Actually in this question we are trying to measure the resistance R and the measured value Rm is written as V by I naught. So, and in the question it is asked that what will be the true value of resistance in terms of Rm, Rv and Ra, where Rv is resistance of voltmeter, Ra resistance of ammeter, and Rm, as you can see, measured value of R. So actually we need to understand the question कि true value पूछ क्यों रहा है and why this measured value is different from the true value. So you see here carefully, what is the current passing to this ammeter that is given in the question equal to I naught. So whatever current is coming here, that is I naught, will get divided into two parts, right? So some current will go through this region and some current will go through this region, such that I naught will be equal to IV plus IR. But in general, we design voltmeter in such a way that it has a very high resistance. And again, that is because it can serve the purpose of voltmeter. So it has a very high resistance. And in that case, we can assume IV is 0, but it is not 0, right? So by taking IV equal to 0, we will get measured value of resistance. And in that case, IR will become equal to I naught, and then whatever is the voltage drop across R will be the reading of voltmeter, which is given in here V. So अगर आप approximation लेकर चलो, then voltage drop across R is V and current across R is I naught, and in that case you will be getting Rm. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज गिवन हियर आर एम इक्वल टू वी बाई आई नॉट. सो इसको अगर आप ध्यान से रीड करो तो आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि वी आर लेटिंग ऑल करंट पास थ्रू द रजिस्टर एंड वी आर अज्यूमिंग दैट देर इज नो करंट पासिंग थ्रू वोल्टमीटर एज इट बाई कंस्ट्रक्शन हैज वेरी लार्ज वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. ठीक है, लेकिन एक्चुअल सेंस में ऐसा नहीं होगा. सो बाई नॉट टेकिंग अजम्पशन वी कैन राइट समथिंग लाइक दिस. Now let us divide this whole thing, that is equation 1 by V. ठीक है, so I naught by V लिखो आप equal to IV by V plus IR by V. अब देखो I naught by V is equal to how much? 1 by Rm as given in the question. You can see here Rm is equal to V by I naught, so I naught by V is 1 by Rm. Now what will be this IV by V? So V is what? Voltage drop across voltmeter, right? That is basically equal to voltage drop across R. Done hai, because these two are in parallel. So V is also voltage drop across voltmeter and IV is current across voltmeter. So this will give you what? 1 by RV, and this is what? IR is what? This is current across resistor, and V is what? Voltage drop across the resistor. So this will give you what? 1 by what? This will give you 1 by R, actual value of the resistance. ठीक है, so 1 by R will be equal to how much? 1 by Rm minus 1 by Rv. So अगर आप इसको solve करोगे, Rv minus Rm divided by Rm Rv equal to 1 by R. So R is equal to how much? R is equal to Rm Rv divided by R, that is your Rv minus Rm. So this question is basically based on the concept of voltmeter and ammeter. Done hai. Measured value meaning we are going with the assumption, and true value meaning we will consider that small amount of current passing through the voltmeter. I hope you have understood the question, but if you have any doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you, take care of yourself and keep on solving more number of questions.